In an ultra, cardiac drift can spike your heart rate by 15% after 6 hours, turning your easy pace into a metabolic redline. Unlike a 5K where pace is king, ultramarathons are wars of efficiency. After hour 4, your heart rate decouples from your speed. This is cardiac drift. Even if you hold a steady pace, your physiological cost rises due to dehydration and reduced stroke volume. To survive this, your target zones must drop drastically. While marathoners push threshold, 100-milers must live strictly in the aerobic basement. Training focuses on fatigue resistance using back-to-back long runs. This simulates mile 40 legs without the injury risk of a single massive day. On race day, terrain dictates effort. Use this simple decision tree to preserve glycogen on climbs. This discipline is critical for nutrition. Above 75% of max heart rate, blood flow diverts from the gut to working muscles. If you spike your HR too often, digestion shuts down. Keeping your heart rate low is the only way to keep 300 calories an hour moving. Respect the drift, hike the spikes, and finish strong.